Boku. We thank you for doing a lot to make sure that we have peace that enable us to enter Boku today.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sam TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. IGP Christian Tete Yohono, I hope I got the name right, has been in the news. And it has been in the news for what might appear. It depends on who is watching. Maybe it's good reasons for you, it's bad reasons. But, or see, the police service is sorry. The security services are sorry for some of the misbehavior of some of their members in uniform. Granted. Now, he did not just end there. And this is where my problem begins. IGP, in trying to calm down the youth in Boku, told them, say, if they agree and disarm, they will be given special consideration when the police opens recruitment. That is where my issue is. You see, when I heard this, when I heard him say that very thing, I wondered like, this is a person that they used to replace Dampare and people were jubilating. There is something wrong somewhere. There is something wrong somewhere. Youths or people are engaged in a conflict. Okay? Now, this conflict, see, it is because other parts of the nation are quiet, accommodating. That's why they are quiet.
Your Royal Highness, what we say is that where we have gone wrong, please forgive us.
Now,
We want the people of Boku to forgive us in the course of discharge of our duties where we have gone wrong. We assure you that we'll make sure that we'll provide the men and women to work over here that will be neutral. And where you feel that some of our men and women have a problem in the course of their discharge, and you want to discuss with us, we are ready to listen to you. These security services, both police, military, and all other security services have enjoyed the smoothness of their services from children, sons, and daughters coming from Boku. They are people, we feel proud of them when they are serving with us. In the course of discharge of our duties, we have always spoken to our men that they should be extremely neutral in the discharge of their duties. As human institution and as human as we are, we may falter in the course of our duties. We may go wrong. Place where we've gone wrong, we ask for forgiveness. Please continue to accept us as your children who have come here to make sure that Boku comes back to its old glories. In the years past, every security officer would like to come to Boku at least before he or she goes on retirement.
Because a lot of our country's resources is being spent on this one conflict. Much of our resources. And we are all paying the tax. But in the end, we are told almost every quarter, national security has to spend over 18 million Ghana cedis on the Boku enclave alone every quarter. 2 quarters is what? 36 million. A year is what? 72 million Ghana cedis just on one enclave. And we've been quiet. And instead of telling them that enough is enough, you said earlier on that maybe the mistake you've made is that some of the police people that you posted to these places that are in question, some of them are taking parts and taking sides and all those things. Is that not so? So after saying this, you said you will replace them. Good, because I don't even understand why there will be a conflict in Boku, and then some of the policemen belong to factions. Okay, some of them, their tribes, ethnicity are from the two places that are fighting. How do we expect them to be neutral? They won't. So that one granted. But to promise them special consideration when recruiting, what message are you sending to the remaining of the country? The other youth from other parts of this nation? Because all over Ghana, there are a lot of young people who apply for police and they don't get. A lot. People even go to the extent of paying middlemen millions and millions of Ghana cedis just to get the opportunity to enter into the services. They don't get. And you are not telling them that, look, one way of getting special consideration when it comes to police recruitment is to be violent. That is it. That is the message you are passing across. That is it. That one sure way of getting the attention of authorities that be when it comes to recruiting into maybe a security service is to start causing confusion and deciding that no matter what is done, no matter the diplomacy and the negotiations that take place, you won't agree, you no go agree, won't jai China. So imagine, let's say the youth in Boku decide to disarm, lay their weapons down, give it to the police service. Police service opens recruitment. The promise of the IGP is kept. The next moment, it might be who? The next time, it might be Nkwanta. The next time, it might be Mampong. The next might be Takrady. So would you ever resolve an issue? So IGP, as for this one, with all due respect, sir, you've gotten it wrong. You have gotten it wrong. And as a matter of urgency, that statement must be withdrawn. It must. It must be withdrawn as a matter of urgency. Yes. And you know why? Because I've given you examples. If this happens and people start playing by that playbook, we won't have our country to carry. We will have our country intact. This has been the political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sam TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And then bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.